Golf 7R, episode 50. In the last video, we were unsuccessful at press fitting the gear sprockets to Rob's balance shaft delete design. Now, we'll be making a second attempt at press fitting the gears with using the science of liquid nitrogen to lower the temperature of the metals to around negative 300 degrees.
Yeah, that's the one that holds at the bottom. Okay, who wants to pour? Here, put the press there. Oil way in there. Okay.
What are we doing here?
Well, that bearing just drops right in there. Here, I'll put it in the press. You're going to need this. Or,
Got a hammer?
right here. Yep.
Is it flush or?
Down, it's 1 millimeter down, so about 30 thousandths in. Sounded all the way.
Sounds like
Yeah. Now we have to heat it up because that shaft gets stuck in here and
Got your oven preheated?
yes I do. I'll stick it right on the burner. Actually, the bearing's almost warm.
Mid?
Yeah. I mean, I want to say it's like 60 degrees. So.
Try just putting that in or?
Sure. right now it's submerged.
So gear up top and you just drop it in. Right position, that way?
No, it goes like that. Gear goes through like that.
Yeah, the gear's going to be up here.
Yep. Hold it.
That gear up. What is that? That's supposed to be?
Yeah. Here.
Down?
I can't tell.
It's going down.
Okay.
How far down is it supposed to go?
All the way. Go put it in the press. It'd be easier.
Very far.
Okay.
It's to the other side of the one bearing.
Let's let's push it apart. And my reason for that is that this can be a little looser. I don't want to be beating on the gear underneath the. Steve, hand him that. It'll crush.
That's great. This already.
Yeah, we added a pump.
Hit you?
Yes. Hold on, hold on. How about like that?
No, this will fit on there. Both of these fit through. Not too tall.
Well, that's just the,
It'll reach like that.
okay. Well, if it'll
That's
okay, no problem. Let's just press down. And put,
how much?
it's only got to go down a 1/4 inch. How much we got? No, I mean, where's the gear?
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
We got enough?
I don't think so.
Let's see. I can't see.
Don't look like it.
Oh,
It's close, but I don't think we got enough. You try it, see what happens. At least it'll start coming out.
Yeah. Notice we tightened it up. Notice that that it's a lot sturdier.
Yeah.
We tightened up all the bolts
That'll help.
that were loose.
Might be bottomed out.
No?
Yeah. I just felt it get hard. I don't want to keep it
Ah.
going. Your fingers.
No, Jack. Oh.
Yeah, I can with your fingers in the hole.
Now it's bottomed
Yeah,
out. Okay. Whoa.
Oh yeah, sorry.
What do we got that we can barely shim it up? We got 2 pieces of plate there. Oh, here we go. Here. Oh, no, that won't work. No.
Sounded like it.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. There really shouldn't be a press fit in there because you only, you know what I'm saying? I can polish 0.5 thousandths off of this.
Well, what retains that into the bearing? Like, what is it, just the chain's gonna hold it there?
No. There's a clip that goes, that's what the groove is on the back
there's
of
a
it.
groove in there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that there's
Yeah.
snap ring.
And I've actually, the next set of them that I make, I actually have a roller bearing, and it's the same roller bearing that's used in the block on the other end.
Yeah.
It's the exact same dimensions as that, except for it's that's 7 thousandths thick, and the one that goes in the block is 17 thousandths deep versus, you know, so it's another 10.
Yeah.
I just got to bore that one of them out 10 thousandths deeper.
Yeah.
I mean, it won't be as pretty because it won't have the the hard anodize on it where the bearing is, but who cares? It's behind the bearing. We have a number.
615. A little over 615.
Okay, John, your turn. Hmm?
Don't feel like much.
Mm.
Yeah, not much. A couple tenths of thousandths. That's it.
Okay. Well, then we're getting better.
I was going in. Somebody didn't sand off enough on that. There you go.
Put that shorts piece on top of it.
Yeah. You're supposed to sit on the bearing?
Nah, well, there's a spacer behind it. Here, pick it out, look at the other end.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
And see if the groove, well, I don't think the other bearing is down all the way.
No, I gotta go more. Almost. Tiny bit more.
Is the groove showing?
It's showing, but it's not cleared of the bearing yet.
Okay, well, it looked like that bearing had to go in a little bit. But then again, I keep hearing it move.
You might be able to get a snap ring in there. It looks like it's...
How's that bearing look? Does it look like it's about 30 thousandths down?
Oh, I don't really got micrometer eyes like that.
Oh. Groove all the way up?
Yeah.
Okay. Then that part's made.
You got a snap ring for this thing?
Yes, I do. Do I have it out here? I don't think so.
You gotta make it?
Huh?
You gotta make it?
What, snap ring?
Yeah.
No.
No?
No, I bought them. That's what McMaster car is for.
Why would you buy them? Just make them.
What, snap rings?
Yeah.
Hey, true. You could use a piece of welding wire, just wrap it around it in the groove.
You could harden it. You could quench it in nitrogen.
I got nitrogen.
Ah.
But no, if that groove is all the way sticking through that bearing, and that bearing is seated down inside the casing, then we're good.
It should be good.
That one's done. I'll put the snap ring on tonight. I have.
Yeah. Gauge. 12, 13. I wasn't sure if that washer was sitting below this.
It is.
Yeah, it's the hair.
It is because, and you're saying just a hair. It's actually sitting, I think, is 10 thousandths down.
something's going on. Like I'm starting to pull pretty damn hard.
Okay. Yeah.
I keep going if you want, but
Now the gears heated, they're chilled.
yeah.
Nope. Oh well. Is that straight? That gear? Yeah. It is.
It's a little crooked, but it should, if it's close to the size it needs to be.
Well,
If you're a little bit crooked like that, it should just go on. You know, or if you just kind of move the press to one side, which I'm doing, it should straighten itself out and go on. And that's what wheel bearings do all the time. I press them in and out at work, and they're like, you usually got to go as hard as this is, but you're dealing with rust and corrosion and heat cycles. You know, it's been on there for 10 years. Like this should just press on.
tell you what, I'd change that socket though.
Yeah, this ain't going on.
What do you think?
I think I think if you just put the snap ring in there, it'll be fine.
That's what I think
I
too.
don't think it's going anywhere.
Nope, me neither.